Your daily diet can dramatically influence your overall well-being, so it's time to give it some serious thought. Gut health is a vital aspect of your body's overall health and wellness, influencing everything from your digestion to your immune system and even your mental health. Research has shown that the gut and brain communicate with each other through a network of nerves, hormones, and immune system signals. This connection, known as the gut-brain axis, means that stress and anxiety can upset your gut, and gut problems can impact your mood and mental health. Here is a list of foods that can give your gut health a significant boost. 1 point, fiber. Fiber is like a workout for your gut. It keeps everything moving smoothly through your digestive tract, helping to prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Foods high in fiber include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Think apples, bananas, oranges, strawberries, raspberries, green peas, broccoli, and lentils. Not only do these foods support gut health, but they also help in maintaining a healthy weight and reducing the risk of heart disease. 2. Fermented foods. These are foods that have been through a process of lactofermentation, where natural bacteria feed on the sugar and starch in the food, creating lactic acid. This process not only preserves the foods, but also creates beneficial enzymes, B vitamins, omega-3 fatty acids, and various strains of probiotics. Foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha are all fermented foods. They're packed with probiotics, the friendly bacteria that populate our gut and help us digest our food, absorb nutrients, and even ward off harmful bacteria. 3. Foods rich in polyphenols. These are antioxidants that fight off harmful free radicals in our bodies. But did you know that they're also great for our gut health? That's right. Foods high in polyphenols include blueberries, broccoli, onions, almonds, and dark chocolate. Yes, you heard right. Dark chocolate is good for your gut. But remember, moderation is key. 4. Lean proteins. These are essential for repairing and building tissues in our body, including the gut. Lean proteins include fish, lean cuts of meat, poultry, eggs, and plant-based proteins like lentils and quinoa. A diet high in lean proteins can help maintain the health of our intestinal barrier, which is crucial in preventing harmful substances from leaking into our bodies. There are also other foods like garlic and ginger that have been found to have beneficial effects on our gut health. Garlic is known to have antibacterial properties, which can help control the population of harmful bacteria in our gut. On the other hand, ginger can help in reducing inflammation and promoting gastric motility. Ensure you have a balanced diet that includes a variety of these foods in moderation. Water is crucial for maintaining good gut health. Our bodies are made up of nearly 60% water. It's in every cell, every tissue, every organ, and it's especially important for our digestive system. Water keeps things running smoothly, helping to break down the food we eat and transport nutrients to where they need to go. It also aids in dissolving vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients from your food. These nutrients, dissolved in water, are then absorbed into your bloodstream, providing your body with the nourishment it needs. Water also plays a vital role in removing waste products from our bodies. It works together with fiber to bulk up our stools and promote regular bowel movements. Without enough water, we risk becoming dehydrated, leading to constipation and other digestive discomforts. Water is the best choice as it's calorie-free and doesn't contain any additives that might upset your gut. The amount of water each person needs can vary, but a general rule of thumb is to aim for at least 8 glasses per day. Of course, you might need more if you're physically active, live in a hot climate, or are pregnant or breastfeeding. So let's make the choices that help us live healthier, happier lives starting from the inside out. Stay informed, stay healthy.